Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, thanks for joining me. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, thanks for joining me. Hope you click that subscribe button. Today's video, I am reviewing and wear testing, is that what it is? Yeah, the Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. There it is. It's just going to be a weird video to test because how do you really test a setting powder, you know? That's what it looks like. And let me just tell you what my skin usually does throughout the day. The foundation that I'm wearing is the Wet n Wild one, and with that foundation I can go about 6 to 7 hours before I start breaking out. Not breaking out, but like oil starts to break through. So this powder, I should have used it with a different foundation, huh? But this powder is gonna have a run for its money because I already have a good foundation on. This video is starting off retarded already. I really did not know how to film this. I don't know how to review it. I've seen a lot of reviews on them, but it was just like a demo and I didn't really see a wear test. You just like, how do you wear test a setting powder? But anyway, I forgot to put lipstick on. Anyways, if you want to know how that wears and if you want to know how to get this look, then keep on watching. So I already got my foundation concealer on. The foundation I'm using is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus. I don't really like this angle, so let me move you guys. Okay, much better. The other angle, I think I had like a shadow on one side of my face because the vanity is around me this way. Okay, anyways, yeah, the foundation is the Wet n Wild. I use the Tarte Tape Shape today for concealer, and I set my under eye with the Peach Perfect powder. Finally got my hands on this. It took me like 2 months. Everywhere I went, they either didn't have it, or, and I don't order shit. I try not to order makeup online. Shipping is ridiculous. What is it? It's an ultra translucent setting powder that sets makeup for extended wear with a revitalizing mist-like effect on skin. So it's like water. It's 50% water and glycerin. Hold on 1 second. Let me get comfortable. This weightless powder sets and refreshes makeup for a silky smooth and visible finish. Ultrafine light reflecting powders float over skin to smooth and blur the look of fine lines and imperfection. Okay. What really sold me though was Revlon used to have a powder just like this, and I loved it. It was like the aqua powder or something like that. But yeah, you don't get a lot in here though. 0.35 ounce. Seemed like a lot, and it's like not filled in. Like, why would they make a package like that? To make it look like you got ripped off. You know what I mean? Like, this is... Okay, anyways, I didn't set my face yet. I did set my under eye with the Peach Perfect powder, like I said. So, here we go. I just took it out the box. The package is really cute. Keep me close to keep me cool. Okay. Ignore my nails. I picked on them yesterday. Oh, I just snapped it off. Okay. Oh, I just snapped it off again. Okay. Ooh, all that powder. So, I think I'm going to use... Oh, does it recommend how to use? Let me see. Apply all over face to set makeup. Reapply throughout the day to rejuvenate. Refresh. Close tightly. Okay, but it doesn't say. There's no like recommendation on what brush to use. So I'm gonna use this Morphe one. It's the E41. It's just this large, fluffy dome powder brush. And I'm gonna start on my forehead. Oh my god, it's wet. It's really hard to review a product like this because, you know, it's translucent, so you can't really see it. But I'm gonna wear this throughout the day and see how it holds. I also waited to do this video because I needed to wait for it to get cooler. I feel like I took off my foundation. Okay, let me try to pat it instead. feel like it's taking off my foundation. Like here. And it took off some there. And my forehead looked like it's like completely gone. Like, it's like right up there. But up close, it's like poreless. I'm gonna try it with a sponge. It does feel like water, like straight water, like you just spritz yourself with water. I got something in my mouth. But it feels good. It's not like overwhelmingly like wet. You really just feel like you have a wet sponge on you. So it looks good. It's very flawless. It's so silky. And I don't feel that tightening effect that everyone was saying. Like, it kind of felt like it was like really sucked in and like setting your makeup. I don't feel that. Did I not put enough? I feel like I put plenty. Don't like swipe it, kind of pat it in. I don't see a difference between the sponge and the brush. I think the brush did more coverage though, or looks more smoother than the sponge side. Just a tiny bit. Yeah, I'm gonna wear this throughout the day and see if I should have did half my face. You know what? Damn it. Okay, anyways, let's just continue. Shade and light for contour. Video's probably all over the place right now. I'm like discombobulated. I didn't eat yet. Actually, I did eat. I had Cheetos. I just needed something in my stomach because video coming in a month because I'm only on my second day. The powder is still looking good. I haven't seen any creasing or anything yet. Not on my smile line, not in my crease, nose, whatever. Yeah, it's looking good so far. So I will check back in within an hour. Yeah. No, let's not do an hour. I'm gonna do 3 hours because I'm not doing nothing in an hour. Let's just sitting here watching some Thai movie. Okay, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright, you guys, I've had my makeup on for a good 3.5 hours now, and it's still looking pretty good. I haven't noticed any creasing, any cracking, any weird, I don't know, like issues going on. So far so good. I'll see you guys at the end of the night, okay? Oh wait, I only have one lash on. Let me take that one off. Okay. Alright, you guys. It is now... What time is it?
1:06.
1:06 a.m. you guys. I've had this makeup on for 13 hours now. I had it from 11 a.m. was my starting time, and it's now 1 o'clock. So what's it? 14 hours. 14 hours I've had my makeup on, and I think the powder did great. I can't honestly tell you when I started to break out on oils, or the oils started coming through. I can't tell you because I didn't check my face. I only checked it like once today when I did my first check-in, and then the rest of the time or day I didn't check it because we went to the movies. We went to go see Avengers, and I didn't get to check my face. So I am oily. I am very oily. I'm missing a few foundation there because I was picking at my nose in the theater. And then you know, quite oily there, but I'm not breaking out. Like the foundation is staying together. Bronzer, highlighter, all of that is still there. I don't see any significant like separating. That's what I'm trying to say when I meant breaking out. Yeah, I am going to now try to touch up with it because they said that you can touch up. I'm gonna use the brush. I mean, the sponge was okay, but I felt like it was like disintegrating because the sponge was wet. So much dark hair. Dip and tap, and I'm gonna start on my forehead. So alright, that looks good. Now let's do this part. I think I'm just gonna do half of my face, and it looks great. It looks amazing. So this is the non-powdered side, and this is the powdered side, and I think it looks great. I really like it. I can't believe my lipstick stayed on for this long though. Alright, you guys, this is the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. Please make sure you click that like button. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you aren't already. And check out my daily vlog channel. I always link it down below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!